In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in trip.com. If you're planning travel and want to see prices in a currency you recognize, updating it on trip.com takes only a moment. This affects how prices are displayed across flights, hotels, and train tickets, making it easier to compare costs and avoid mental conversions. Here's how to do it from the website. First, open your web browser and go to the trip.com website. You might land on a country-specific page, like the Philippines version, and that's perfectly fine. The process works the same across regions, and you can change the currency no matter which local site you're on. Once the homepage loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small flag icon beside other account and help options. That flag controls regional settings, including language and currency. Click the flag to open the settings panel so you can adjust how information is displayed. Inside that panel, find the currency option. It may be grouped alongside language and region choices. So click currency to expand the list. You'll see a wide range of options, each labeled with the currency name and its three-letter code, like USD for US dollars, EUR for euros, or PHP for Philippine pesos. If there's a search bar, use it to quickly jump to what you need. Otherwise, scroll until you find your preferred currency. Picking the right one here means all the prices across the site will be familiar and consistent for you. Select the currency you want and the site will refresh or update the prices automatically. From this point on, you'll see fares, room rates, taxes, and totals shown in the currency you chose, which makes comparing itineraries much clearer. Your selection is typically remembered in your browser, and if you're signed in, it can sync across sessions. If you switch devices or clear cookies, you may need to set it again. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Choosing a display currency helps you understand prices at a glance, but your final payment may still be processed by your bank or card in its billing currency, and exchange rates can vary. If you're comparing deals across different sites, match the currency on each to ensure a fair comparison. And if you don't immediately notice the update, refresh the page or navigate to a new search so all price tiles reload in the correct currency. That's all there is to it. Changing the currency on trip.com is fast, straightforward, and saves you time and guesswork when planning your next trip. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother, clearer travel planning.